Let's do it.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
How did these guys made it? How did these guys manage to make it? Bahachikola batya?
God have mercy upon.
How did these guys made it? How did these guys made it? How did these guys manage to make it? Bahachikola batya?
God have mercy upon.
How did these guys made it? How did these guys made it? How did these guys manage to make it? Bahachikola batya?
God have mercy upon.
How did these guys made it?
musuubireyo emikolo
wataliyo abakyala kati twezalira baami tutazalira baami.
Baby girl, no, Lydia, maybe I'm going to ask you this question, all right?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Question team. What do you think Sheebah craves so much?
Hey, yes. Okay, before she got pregnant, actually she's the one who taught us this country, Fragolino. So I think she's not drinking right now. She really loves it. I feel like she's not drinking it right now because she's pregnant and she misses it.
Yeah.
And you said what she misses, right?
What she craves.
Working out.
For real? Baby girl, wakamale echipu. Go back the bulala. Now for you are an expert. In the child things, Vivian is an expert. Instead of asking her these questions, better just give you mommy tips and advice.
Hi, Mashi. Congratulations once again. We love you so much. And too, I pray that God takes you through this journey. May you hold you close.
Amen.
It is a beautiful journey. It teaches you so much, and I believe that it's the next chapter of your life that is going to be so incredible.
Amen. Thank you so much, baby. Nice. Hello, sir. How's
I just want to, I don't think you actually need advice. I keep telling Sheebah that I have a daughter, 15-year-old daughter, and I tell her that I want my daughter to be exactly like her. So you don't need advice from me. You are already an amazing mom to so many kids.
Thank you.
You're a huge inspiration to so many girls.
Thank you.
And by the time I say I want my daughter to be like you, I mean it from the bottom of my heart. I love you, baby girl.
Thank you.
You got this.
Thank you, man. Thank you. That was. What doesn't she like about makeup nowadays?
So we changed. So I no longer do that glamour for shoot. So I do light with a red lip only. So that's her now.
Makeup katimunyira bubi. Tayagalira koddala bi. The layers you do on her. I know.
Second baby shower. I had a private baby shower with some of my friends. And this one is the second one, a big one. And I love it. Thank you so much. Ameria yagezezzaako nnyo okunsurprising and nabadde nkimanyi. Namugambye there is no way bwe mugenda okundeka nve mu Uganda mu mirembe nga temunkoledde baby shower. I know. Not that I expected it. I am so grateful for it, but my instincts told me when the moment people say 10th became 10th, I realized it was going to be a special day. Jasmine, thank you so much for being the girl that is always happy for another girl. It's a beautiful thing. Thank you so much. Every woman here who is a mother, bless you and bless you more with your children. Everyone